Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the foundation concept in cybersecurity, so the CI triad. If you are new to cybersecurity, understanding the CI triad is crucial because it's guide how organizations protect their data. We will use some simple example to make this concept easy to understand and let's get started. So, first of all, what is CI triad? The CI triad is a model designed to guide policies for information security within an organization. But what does CI stand for? It represents three critical objectives: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These three components are the pillar of cybersecurity. Every security strategy should aim to achieve these goals to ensure that information is protected, accurate, and accessible when needed. Let's start with first component, confidentiality. Confidentiality is all about ensuring the sensitive or classified information is only accessible to authorized individual or a system. Think of confidentiality like a lock on a diary. Only the person with the key or the right combination can read what's inside. Now imagine this diary contain your ATM pin. You wouldn't want just anyone to read it, right? That's why it's kept under the lock and key. Now, let's see how confidentiality works in a digital communication. Imagine user A want to send his ATM pin to his friend user B. If user A send his pin in a plain text, anyone who intercepts the message can read it. To prevent this, we use encryption techniques. Encryption transforms readable data into unreadable format, and that can only be deciphered by someone with the correct key. Some common encryption standards include AES, which stands for Advanced Encryption Standards, the DES, which stands for Data Encryption Standard. Another effective method to maintain confidentiality is using a VPN or a virtual private network, which create a secure tunnel for data to travel through. Let's talk about integrity. Integrity is about ensuring that data remain unchanged and unaltered. Imagine if you send a message and it's get modified along the way. The integrity of the message has been compromised. Imagine writing a letter to your friend, but before it reaches, someone erased the part of it and write something different. When your friend receives it, the letter doesn't say what you originally intended. The message's integrity has been compromised. To maintain data integrity, we use hash functions. Hash functions create a unique hash value for data. If even a single bit of data changes, the hash value will be completely different, indicating that the data has been altered. Common hash functions include MD5, which generate 128-bit of hash value, SHA-1, which produce 160-bit hash. There are also more advanced versions like SHA-2 and SHA-3. In this scenario, if host A sends data with a hash value H1 and host B receive it and generate a hash value H2, the data's integrity is confirmed if H1 equals to HT. This means the data has not been modified. Lastly, let's discuss availability. Availability ensures that the network and its resource are accessible to authorized user whenever needed. This applies not only to systems but also to data. Think of availability like the door to a library. The library need to be open during the day so people can come in and read or borrow books. If the door is locked and no one can get it, the books are useless to those who need them. To ensure availability, network administrators need to maintain hardware, perform regular upgrades, and have a failover plan in place. They must protect against attacks that can render the network unavailable, like a DOS attack or a DDoS attack. These attacks can overload the network, making it impossible for legitimate users to access the service. Therefore, it's crucial to have measures in place to prevent such a disruption. Now, why is the CI triad important? So the CI triad is fundamental in cybersecurity because it helps organizations to focus on three main goals: ensuring that data is kept confidential, maintaining the integrity of the data, and making sure it is available when needed. By considering these three principles, organizations can develop a robust system policy and strategize to protect their data assets. When you are evaluating new technologies or developing security protocols, always keep the CI triad in mind. It's the foundation of secure and resilient information security framework. That's a quick overview of the CII triad. Understanding confidentiality, integrity, and availability is crucial for anyone involving in a cybersecurity. I hope now you can understand what is a CII triad and why it is important. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.